Hey team, I am going to just walk you through how to update your work completion tracker, which would be a Monday routine. Because once we have that information on Friday, really this self report tracker is like for your advisory and your eyes on Fridays, as a routine that we know is going to help them build some habits of like managing themselves through independent work. And it's also like your opportunity to intervene as an advisor on Friday. And then beyond that, the only other times that you may look back at it would be if someone said they had done all their work and then they had done none of their work, and then you might want to reference this to see, hey, did I miss that? But otherwise, we want to keep this nice and clean for advisees to be able to get in there and use it during the week. So we're going to want to hide the columns that we are done with and unhide the columns that we have not yet used. And so if you're not used to using hiding and unhiding, which most of you probably are, you unhide by doing this, by opening it, and you'll see that all the weeks are already built out with all the formulas already baked in. And so we're done with this week. You could go ahead and hide it. And then we're done with these weeks. So you just highlight everything you want to hide, right click it, and then hit hide again. And so now you have the right week here, but you don't yet have the right week here. And so the next step is going to open up all these and just drag over all the weeks that you don't need. So I'm going to drag all the way back to the week of April 20th. And hide. I'm almost there. Now I'm going to hide this. And now I'm going to hide the old stuff, or leave it open. It's up to you. It's your preference, but I think the cleanest look we could have, the better. Hide this. I also just realized I didn't yet hide last week, so I'm going to right click again and hide this. And now I'm just going to check, did I do this correctly? Perfect. I am clearly in the right weeks because as soon as I updated this, it updated that. And hopefully that's perfect throughout the entire spreadsheet for everybody. But basically, I just updated Hannah Scudder's advisory thing. It should take a total of 30 to 60 seconds once you get a hang of it. And you would just do that each week. I'm sure when you forget, your advisees will let you know, and then you'll just do it then. But either way, this is how you do it. Thanks. Bye-bye.